In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a QR code for Calendly. This is a really handy way to let people book time with you quickly without needing to type in a long link. You can add the QR code to your business card, presentation slides, flyers, or even a poster at an event. When someone scans it with their phone, they'll go straight to your Calendly booking page. First, open your browser and go to your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, head over to your scheduled events or event types page. This is where you'll see all the different meeting types you've set up, like a 15-minute intro call, a 30-minute meeting, or any other custom events you've created. Take a moment to identify which specific event you want people to book using your QR code. Next, look for the event you want and find the option to copy its link. In Calendly, there's usually a copy link button or icon next to each event type. Click that button. This copies the unique booking URL for that specific event to your clipboard. Think of this link as the destination you want your QR code to send people to. Now, it's time to turn that link into a QR code. Open a new tab in your browser and go to any QR code generator website you like. There are many free ones available, and they all work in a very similar way. On the QR code generator page, you'll see a field where you can paste a URL or website address. Click into that field, then paste the Calendly link you just copied. Once the link is pasted, most generators will automatically show a preview of your QR code, or you may need to click a button like Generate or Create. After a second or two, you should see a black and white square pattern appear on the screen. That's your QR code. When you're happy with how it looks, find the option that says Download QR Code. Click that button and choose a file format and location on your computer where you want to save it. A PNG file is usually a good choice because it works well in documents and on websites. Now you've got a QR code image that links directly to your Calendly event. You can drop it into emails, documents, social media posts, or print materials so people can easily scan and schedule a meeting with you.